Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a really cool case for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This is the grip case by dbrand. Look at how cool that looks. But before we take a closer look at this case, you already know how we do it here on the channel when it comes to protective cases like this one right here, because I'll tell you, this thing feels solid. But you already know what we got to do. We're going to head outside right now, do a couple of real-world drop tests with this case on this device to see if it's actually going to protect this phone, like I said, with a couple of real-world drop tests. I currently do have a tempered glass screen protector on the device itself, but you know what? I think I'm gonna take it off for this drop test. So again, before we take a closer look, let's head outside, do a couple of drop tests, and see just how protective this case is. All right, so we have made our way outside, as you can see here, currently in my garage. So please excuse the echo I got going on here if it does happen to echo too much with this mic right here, and please excuse the cars driving by. Just ignore that. This is about the drop test with the grip case from dbrand for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, currently on a flat concrete surface. Keep in mind, I am doing this on a flat concrete surface. Don't go, chucking your phone in rocks or anything like that, because I can't guarantee you that your display will be protected from rocks. But I'm gonna be doing 3 different types of drop tests here, real world drop tests, and possibly a 4th bonus drop test if this happens to go out. But let's go ahead and get started. So say you're sitting down on the chair, you're hanging out with friends, whatever, you got your phone on your lap like this, you're chit-chatting, you're ready to get up and go, or maybe from a restaurant or something, you forget your phone's on your lap, you get up, boom, okay, the phone falls on the floor. It fell face flat, as you can see there, but doesn't look like any damage happened to the display. No cracks, no scratches, just got a little bit of dust going on there. Let me wipe that up real quick. Everything looking good. Phone's still functioning good, as you can see there. The back camera's looking good. The case solid as heck, like I said earlier. Okay, second test here. Say maybe you're just walking along, you're about ready to put the phone in your pocket, you missed, boom, okay, the phone falls right on this hard concrete here. So it didn't fall on the display, as you can see there. Display looks good, camera looks good, and you're getting a good size lift around the whole entire back and some good size lifts on the top and the bottom. So let's go and do this 3rd real world test, which I don't see how this is going to happen with this case because of how grippy it is. I'll tell you that right off the bat. Super grippy case. I guess that's why they call it the grip case, but just in case, it could happen to anybody. If you're like me, maybe you have butterfingers, you're talking on the phone, you're walking along, and you happen to accidentally drop it. Whoa! Okay, that was loud. That was loud. It actually landed really hard on the back, so really scared to take a look at the cameras here. Not gonna lie, a little bit scared, but as you can see, the display is fine. Turns on, turns off. Fingerprint sensor works good on the in-display fingerprint sensor, but the cameras, woo! The cameras are looking good. I wanna see what the phone looks like in the back though, because that's what landed really hard. Okay, look at that. Back looks fine. That beautiful matte backing of the phone. Look at that. So as you can see here, this case is going to protect your phone no matter what. Whoa! As you can see, whoa, there it goes again. Okay, let's do it from up here. Ready, 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 ready. Whoa! Oh, okay, whoa, whoa. That actually landed pretty hard on the display and then flipped on over, but you know what? Look at that. Looking good, looking good. I mean, I can probably just, toss this thing all day long and the phone's probably going to be fine. Look at that, look at that. Let's drop it on the display. Boom, let's do it again, let's do it again. Ready, ready, one more. Ooh! And look at that, the phone seems to be just fine. And as you may know, I mean, most times where you're dropping your phone, you're not doing it purposely. So, most people aren't gonna be standing there holding their phone like this and dropping it face down, or, dropping it on its back, or just tossing it in the air. Most of it is by accident, which is why I try to do these real world drop tests where I'm sitting down or just walking along, talking on the phone, happen to accidentally drop the phone just like that. Or there's times where we drop our phone and we're trying to catch it, but we miss, and it just falls so far away from us, we don't know what the heck is gonna happen to it. But as you can see, it's good, it's looking good. I don't know how the internals are, but it seems to be working just fine for me. In-display fingerprint sensor still working, as you can see there. And like I mentioned earlier, I did take off that screen protector that I had. So there is no screen protector on this device. This is just the plain display, naked, as you can see it here on camera. The entire phone is looking good. So there is the drop test with the dbrand grip case, looking super cool. but not only looking really good, but also giving your phone some great protection. So now we're gonna go ahead and head inside and take a closer look at this case. All right, so I've made my way back inside, as you can see here, and woo, I gotta tell you guys, I had a great time out there. Weird, right? Who has a good time throwing their phone around on concrete? This guy, that's who. Anyways, it was a good time. Y'all let me know what you think about that drop test down in the comment sections below, but we are now inside taking a closer look at the case. First of all, let's take a look at the packaging here. This is the box that it is going to come in. You kind of open it like a book right there. Purchase, delivered, install, and then you open it up again just like this. So this is where the case is going to sit, and right here is where the skin is for the case. So I actually had to put this red skin on myself, which I think I actually did a pretty good job. So the case comes blank. It's just a flat black case, and then depending on what skin you choose, you're gonna have to put that on yourself. So I got it for the case and the camera module there as well, as you can see. And then it also comes with this little kind of like a microfiber cloth, I guess, so you can have it to, I don't know, wipe the skin down in the back, or, you know, clean off that display. Either way, it does come in handy. But let's take a look at this case. I have absolutely been loving this case. Honestly, I didn't think I was going to like this case as much as I do. First of all, the skin in the back, I mean, I think it looks nice. I really love the overall red with the black around it. I think it makes a great color combo. Then you get a nice texture with this skin as well. Just has a really nice look to it. So that's what that is going to look like. And when they say the grip case, they named it right, because you're getting some good grip on the sides here. I mean, it literally feels like it is not going to fall out of your hands. The grip is good all the way around, not just right here, but all the way around. You get some nice texture all around the edges, and it is not going to fall out of your hand. So you're definitely getting some good grip with this case right here. And then the buttons are so responsive, nice and clicky. I mean, really, really clicky. So that's the power button. And then we got the volume rockers going on. Listen to how clicky that is. Not sure if you can hear that on the mic, but super clicky. I mean, they feel really, really good. And then you got a cutout up here for the microphones, cutouts at the bottom for the speaker, microphone, and the charging port. Very precise cutouts, looking really, really nice. Super nice case. Then going to the front, you get a nice, good size lip on the bottom and on the top. And as you saw by the drop test, did a very good job at protecting this display. I mean, absolutely no scratches, no cracks. The phone is still functioning good. I mean, as far as protection goes, I mean, you cannot go wrong with this case. I gotta be honest with you guys, I was a little scared to be throwing my phone around out there with this case, because I've never used a dbrand grip case ever. This is my very first time ever owning a dbrand case. And yeah, so they now have my trust when it comes to cases. So from now on, I'll probably be purchasing these for every device that I get, if they do have it available for those devices. But again, this is the dbrand grip case for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. And they also have these cases available for tons of other devices as well. And they have tons of options to choose from when it comes to skins as well. So you don't have to get this look. You can totally change up the look if you really want to. And later down the line, if you want to just buy a skin, you can totally do that. You can take the skin off of this case, you can keep the case and just switch out the skin and give yourself a different look. So very cool that they give us the option to do that. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. If you do find yourself interested in this case right here, I'll make sure to have it linked down in the description below so you can pick one up for yourself. But overall, loving this case very, very much. One thing that I kind of found odd was right here at the top, they kind of have like a cutout up there. Not really sure why they cut it up so high when the speaker grill is pretty much right under the frame. So really not sure why they did that. But either way, very cool looking case, very protective case. Again, I'll have a link down in the description below if you want to check one out for yourself. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you think about that drop test? Once again, thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks again for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.